Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to turn off reels on Facebook. So let's go to Facebook first. If you scroll down here, you'll be finding many reels videos here. How you can off this? Again, going here, sorry. What you're gonna do is you can click one by one hide reel, or you can just go here very reels and short videos three dot icon. You can see here, right, on top right, three dot icon. Then just click on hide. All videos will be hide. Now go to reels, Facebook reels, and you can just like this show less. Doing again show less. Now if you go to Facebook, now let's check if that reels is there or not. If it's still there, then you have to do it again.
Wait.
Let's check it again. You can see here that there is no reels right now. If you close the application and reopen it, you'll find no reels and videos there. Okay, so this is how you should do it manually, guys. Okay, again 2 or 3 times. After that your reels will not show again. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this, guys. So if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.